The desire to create new is one of the deepest yearnings of the human soul. Carve out a career path out of our traditional art. To inspire today's generation, make them craft in the skills of entrepreneurship. To promote, perceive, and reward occasional aspects of learning, group activity for grade 10 students was conducted. It allowed students to gain practical experience in their chosen career path before they even graduate. There are a number of craft-based professions like pottery, batik work, rug weaving, embroidery, carpentry, bamboo weaving, making of jute productions, handlooms, etc. Traditional crafts fight the problems as they are less integrated with daily life. Our grade 10 students gave the wing of innovation by relaunching the Indian traditional craft products.
Once Robert Fulton said that beauty is vanishing from our world because we live as though it doesn't care. Beauty of our world, one of the beauty, the pottery, it is a cultural art. It is also vanishing from our world. Namaste everyone, I am Amit Prasad from grade 10 and I am here with my friend to share some ideas related to pottery. We have lost many things. Out of that, the pottery is the most beautiful thing which has remained. And we are living with the loveliest thing, that is the memories with the past. Pottery is not just giving shape to clay, it is giving life to potter's imagination. Actually, this pottery was originated in China and Japan 18,000 years ago. But in India, the evidence of this pottery has been found in the industrial civilization. As we all believe that Indians are most skillful persons around the world. In context to this, today India is usually practicing pottery. As you know, it is skillful art. So by this we can say that Indians are most skillful people. So many parts of India practice this pottery, but parts of Uttar Pradesh are well known. And the city over here is also, Vaidyanpur is also known as ceramic city of the world. So the pottery has culture and the heritage, it has value. So why people were dependent on the pottery? Because it has a lot of advantages. Now I call Samantha to tell a lot of advantages of the pottery and why people are selected.
As Amit told, pottery is having so many advantages. One of them is that we can, if you are not creative, we can get creative by creating types of pots. And second, other advantage is we can improve focus by practicing pottery. And we can also experiment and explore the different types of designs, and we can also try many different types of pots, and in which we can show many different things. And it's also a natural painkiller. Sometimes stress can be very pain. It can give pain. So if we practice pottery, it can also destroy the stress. It can also improve quality of our life. And the last use is it can increase our optimistic outlooks. And still there are many uses of pottery, but these are some of the uses of pottery.
It was pleasure to learn about the advantages of pottery. Now you might wonder that there are lots of advantages of pottery, but why it has declined today? So we all know that it has declined today of many reasons. But what if the pot says how it has declined? So now I call Kaushal to tell us how it has declination of pot has took place in the form of pot or in the opinion of pot.
Today, I am not at all produced by the modern because my owners are not at all interested in traditional words, they prefer new jobs. With my new friends coming with me, people provided me. If people continue this new path, then it will be a history that I was made once. Today, new generation is saying that they are unable to survive by making me. The pottery is said that they cannot earn a bread for their family because I am only sold in festival season. It is very sad that no one is buying me.
So it was the reason that how pots has declined. That it was on the opinion of pot how pot feels on its declination. Now, let us think how to improve it. Let us think on it. But before that, how the importance of pottery or what are the importance of pottery we need to know. So then only we can promote those pottery ideas. So I call Akash to tell about the importance of pottery.
Namaste everyone, I am Akash and I would like to share about how the potteries are made. The basic technique which pottery makers includes throwing, trimming and glaze firing. Throwing is a process in which the pottery maker uses mound of a clay which they place on the wheel of pottery making machine by which they make the basic structure of the pottery, which is known as greenware. The greenware is usually the process of trimming in which it is given final shape, and in the process of glaze firing, the pottery is fired by in the process of glaze firing, it is a final firing of the pottery which makes the pottery soft in nature and hard and porous in nature. To decorate pottery more, they will cover it by the split and the design is taken out by the knife, which makes the pottery more decorative.
So it was very pleasure and rapture to know about how pottery was. Now we all understand how pottery is made because of the help of the pottery wheel. So the main objective or the heart of the pottery we can say that the pottery wheel. Now I have Virmala to say about the pottery wheel.
Namaste everyone, I am Virmala. I am here to explain you about providing mechanical and electrical support by pottery. Usually in a traditional pottery we use manual wheel, and with that we use a stick to rotate the wheel. But here what we have done is we have connected this to a DC motor. For just a model we have connected DC motor. But in a large scale we can use AC DC motor, which is also known as alternating current. Where it is used to rotate a huge wheel. Here we have placed a CD which is used as a rotor wheel. Here potteries are made using rotor wheel. Once I connect the battery, the rotor will start, and on this we can provide our pottery works. Usually in a traditional pottery, people take 1.5 hours or 2 hours to make a single pot. But here pottery, once provided with the mechanical support, we can produce the single pottery in 1 hour, half an hour. So by this, for example, if you take 10 pots can be produced in 15 hours in a traditional method. But in a mechanical method, those 10 pots will be produced in a 10 hours, and the remaining 5 hours you can spend it with your family and with your friends. So this is how the pottery provided with mechanical and electrical support. We could develop our pottery work.
It was all about the pottery, what we see in the traditional way. Now the first step of promoting pottery is applying the technology. So how we can modernize the pottery and how we can promote towards the buying or attracting the sellers. Now I will request Sujan and Manoj to tell about how to modernize what are the applications of technology in the pottery.
Namaste everyone, I am Manoj and I am here to explain about the applications of pottery. Pottery, one of the oldest and most widespread decorative arts, is made up of clay and hardened with wheat. These objects are made commonly useful ones, such as used for vessels. Sometimes we can store the food for long time, and we can store pickles for a year, and we can store water in summers instead of using refrigerators, and we can this can be used for making plates and bowls which food can be served, and this can be used for making flower pots, flower vase, and this can be used for making fermented foods. And in Hindu culture, when people died, they are cremated and their ashes were buried in these pots. so that can be useful. And used for making tea or coffee mugs and clay pots. What are the advantages in cooking with these clay pots? Clay pots allow foods to be cooked with moist heat. It gives us more flavorful and nutritious food. So though there are varieties of unglazed and unglazed pots in our market, it is better to choose unglazed one for cooking because glazed one are made of harmful chemicals. It is injurious to your health. So better to choose unglazed one like this. Sometimes.
Now let's say about how does pottery works or how the pottery comes from the ancient times. The process of making these potteries or forming these vessels is made with the clay and other ceramic materials. Formation of this pottery is one of the oldest human inventions. It is nearly during the Neolithic period, or it is first discovered in the China around 1700 BC. This formation of this pottery will lead to the by heating this high temperature nearly around 1600 to 1700 degrees Celsius that lead to a permanent change of this pottery by providing this better strength to the pottery or better rigidity to the potteries. This based on the strength and the rigidity, we can classify these potteries from these three types known as first one is earthen ones, and the stone ones, and the next one is porcelains. What do you mean with these earthen ones? This earthen ones is come from this ancient time. It is used during this nearly used during this 1800 BC. So it has so many pores in this pottery, so that people cannot use till now. So this earthen ones is turned into stone ones. So this what do you mean with these stone ones? These stone ones are the type of pottery which is used in the kitchens or it helps in to store the food. Now the last one is porcelains. What is mean by this porcelains? Porcelains is nothing but this. It is also one of the type of pottery which is used during this modern period. This porcelains is also used. Porcelains is also used for a decoration item, things, or it helps to attract the people towards the pottery.
It was a pleasure to know about the pottery or advantages of pottery or how it is used in ancient times and what are the changes we need to make in present time. Now, how the pots are used in common houses or people like us, how we use pots is shown to a speed by Samir, is shown to a speed by Satvik and Shreyas.
Actually, when the summer starts, I use the water pot in my house. Why is summer? Because of several reasons.
You just raise the tap. It's now start.
Here, Ritik, I'm tired of like, give me a cup of water. Yeah, next time I'll do. Thank you. Why did you use water from the mud pots? Actually, when the summer starts, I start using this mud pots in my house. Why only in summer? Because of several reasons, because it keeps our health fit and fine. We can say that it is the best method to boost our metabolism. It is the nature of alkaline, not so acidic, and it is good for our health. And we can say it is very good preventive measures to stop sunstrokes, which is more common in summer. So what else we need? So let us have a resolution to use hot water in summer and share the heritage of our country. Okay, from today I will start using mud pots. So let us all use hot water and share the heritage. What is the price of this pot? 150 per pot. Why is it so expensive? These are airplane parts. Okay. 20 rupees plastic pot. Man, it's so expensive. Why is that? Plastic pot.
Will pay only. So this was the situation where the people are buying plastic pots instead of buying the earthen pots or mud pots. Why this is happening? Due to the cheap price of plastic pots. But we all know that the plastic pots are dangerous and it is harmful to anyone. So only way to sell the plastic, to overcome these plastic pots and to sell this earthen pot is to increase the demand. To increase the demand, first we need to create awareness among the people. So the first step of creating awareness among the people, we think of social media. And I called Tanmay to tell about how to impact or how to make people aware about pottery in the social media.
Hi, namaste everyone. Today I am going to say about pottery. Pottery is the process and products of forming vessels and other materials with clay and other ceramic materials. It is also used as at the fired high temperature to cool down our body. The place where such made are called as pottery. Now once again. It is the process and products of forming vessels and other objects with clay and ceramic materials, which are fixed at high temperatures and give an art and the durable form. Major types include earthenware, stoneware, and porcelain. The place where such wares are made by the potters is also called as pottery. The objects are commonly used for such as vessels for holding liquids or plates or bowls from which food can be served. The uses of these potteries are functional ware, sculpturing, relief sculpture, large vessels and tiles and other more processes. It is also used as tools for cooking, serving and storing food, and it also acts as a preservative for storage of food. In India, Bulandshahr at Uttar Pradesh is famous for making decorative pots.
It was very nice that once David Lynch says, don't use social media to impress people, use it to impact people. And we think this is the best way to reach the people. So another way where the people where people doesn't have the access of social media is to reach to the posters. So posters like this can help the people and to reach the people. So you may tell that people doesn't get more people, how you will spread. If the relative comes to your house and you have this poster, he will see that and he will spread to many more people. So these kind of posters also share the information about pottery. So now the larger section of the society is influenced or is developing a demand, we will develop a demand through the advertisement. So now I call a demo advertisement by Samir and Shwas to make how the pottery is influenced or how it needs to be promoted.
Namaste everyone, my name is Samir Khanis. Now we are going to give you advertisement for pottery. We are everyone familiar with celebrities and advertisement. We are seen in television, signed online Instagrams and Facebooks, and everywhere we can see an advertisement of things which has been given by their own brands. So the pottery was an ancient thing which was used by our ancestors, which we cannot use till now. But it was an earth treasure, but people doesn't utilize it because it was to be an cheap rate and it was used to be safely. That's why they got their existence. So nowadays we can change the world by pottery by using advertisement. Everyone knows these non-stick pans are modernized by now technologies. These are used to be a non-sticky pans used omega-6 fact when you are cooking a roti or chapati in there. Omega-6 when you are going to use oil, omega-6 will be absorbed by clay particles. That was the main uses that makes the Asian peoples to be an thin and healthy persons. Nowadays we are getting many cancers. Like in Punjab, they are getting cancers because of rice and chapatis they are consuming more, because in the omega-6 will contain more. That's why, and the pottery main uses is it will give a delicious and unique taste for the foods. Now now we are going to use Instagrams and advertisements to make attention towards the people. Let's start the change by ourselves. Now we are going to use modernized pottery. So everyone buy one piece, then we can change the world. This can be used as a nutrients for us, also for plants and trees also. It is safe for us and safe for environment also. Don't use plastic and metals. It will cause harmful to the nature. Thank you.
Now even Mahi, aka MS Dhoni, is indulged himself in encouragement of usage of pottery. Earthen pots can be encouraged by this great personality. Take a selfie pic of using earthen pots and send to us via MMS for in below mentioned number and get a chance to win dinner set of earthen pots and we get a chance to meet a great personality like MS Dhoni. It's a pleasure offered to meet MS Dhoni in my lifetime.
One step towards the nature to save the earth. Thank you.
It was written that MS Dhoni worked for our organization. Due to many reasons, he could not able to come, but without any remuneration, he is working for to promote this pottery. So now many people think that pottery is used for only cooking purpose or household purpose, but now the technological of pots are used in various areas like air conditioners and all. Now I request Sadhvi Kesar, the innovative head of our organization, to tell about technologies of pots.
Namaste everyone. Usually I see Kapla pots straight by me. But these earthen pots can be converted into hollow cylindrical metal pots. And can be used to make natural resources, where more than 400 or 500 organs are produced and higher savings complex. And air is passed through it, and slowly water drops will be falling from our bodies. As you know, as you saw the before speed, where they use pots to make water cold, even it can make the air cold.
So these are the main 4 ways where we can promote the pottery or where we can indulge in the pottery activity, and there are many other ways like attractive designs. So for example, small children like cartoons. So on the pots with the design which has the design of cartoon will attract the people and will attract the small children, and they will force their parents to buy those kind of pots. So which helps in the increase of demand in the pots. And another point is how the skill lack with the people who are lacking skills of making pottery, but they have lacked lot of interest. So for this we have taken a help of government, as already government launched a scheme called Kaushalya Abhivruddhi. Under this scheme we will teach pottery skills, and many people are promoted to make pottery as a profession. So this is all about the pottery. So potters there used to be times where the potters were an integral part of our society. They are used in the characters in the films also. For example, Bappa Kumara. These kind of films they were used in the characters. They are used as a character, such a high character. But today they enlightened lives. But today the darkness has surrounded their own lives. So I strongly believe that nothing can oppose the human will. So if we have better will, we can make anything possible. So we together all will with a good will, let us promote the use of pottery and let us make our society helpful and potters helpful. Thank you.
You said that you should paint cartoons on them and let kids use it. Is it really safe for them?
Yeah, of course.
What if they break it?
So that is why the organic 6 is used here. If he need the fire only, it will not break. Then how can kids break that? So it is for the modernization of technology is used in making the pots. So and it is completely safe. Under this, as I told Kausalya Abhiruddhi skill, under that skill we make the technologized pots, and where the cartoons can even be printed, we can see lot of designs over here. This kind of designs, such kind of designs including cartoon designs could also be made, and they will not at all play with the pots, they will see the pots and they will get attracted. So that is our main reason to make those one. It will be initiative for many people to buy the pots.
Are you sure if you drop it, it's not gonna break?
Drop it. Before you use it, you need to keep for 24 hours in water. Afterwards, grease it with oil. Afterwards, you use it, then it will not break.
So you are telling that all those things are done for those two products?
No, there are many products we cannot. There are many products in market, but people not aware about that. We can make aware by using our online.
So I buy a product for my child or any of my cousins, I then keep it in water for a few days, then grease it, then give it to them to play.
That's
So
why
plastic is better, right? I buy it, give to them, they enjoy with it.
they are harmful for your health. You need to be
How much?
Take this pot. If you don't use for better words, you take plastic pots. No one is
Because of
health is important than the money, right? Health is important, right?
Because of those plastic things, we are getting many diseases now. Asian, there was no diseases. They are using these pots and preparing Ayurvedic medicine in their home only. Now we are required to meet doctors.
That's what.
That
That was not my
because
point.
of plastic tradition.
How can you? Are you sure that kids are going to be satisfied with the cartoons on the things? They don't need any other things to play.
So in here that there is no matter of playing. We are promoting the pots. The one of the way to attract the kids is cartoons.
So
Before the
you are
plastic,
gonna make your customers buy useless things just to sell your products.
It is not useless. How it can be useless? It is not useless. They need for decorative items. See, if there is many things. There is bed covers with the shape of cartoon. There is it useless? We use for beds, right?
Yeah.
So it is decorative item where cartoons makes home with fun. So while sitting, if suddenly the child is sad, by seeing that cartoon email of Tom and Jerry, he is not making. If just see the Tom and Jerry photo only, we will be happy. So those kind of cartoons will make mentally happy. Children don't think too much like adult people. So what they will feel, how they will feel happy is just for the cartoons and their own world. Children have their own world, and they will not play. They will just see cartoons.
You just see cartoons, so we'll have to buy your products.
Children will make them to buy.
before the
Children will make you
plastic,
to buy. That is the mentality of children, right? You won't buy, you think that useless. But the children think that it is very attractive because they are small children. They don't think that much about money or it will break. They will not think, they will think that just it is their cartoon, we need to buy it.
This is nice idea. Actually, parents we all are aware of health benefits. Is it not? If it ever cartoons are there, then definitely we can attract children also. That's a nice idea. It's very good.
So you also said that pottery helps in relieving the stress. How is that?
So skills in the skills while making pottery helps in the living stress. When you are more skillful, you will not be stressed. It is a mental and psychological fact. When you have a lot of skills and when you undertake the skills and when you perform those skills, you will not become stressed.
if you use pottery, that will provide more jobs for the
Actually, what happens with the children, we will sometimes to relieve the stress and all, they just bury us up to our neck. That releases all the stress also. That is actually good. Actually, they don't. If people are aware, no? Yes. Yeah, that's what. That releases the stress.
So we prefer healthy foods also. We see that nowadays Matte Biryani, what they give all the foods items and also in these Atam pot because of the health issues. So now hotels are also implementing these type of techniques to attract the people because all are aware of the pots.
And about the air conditioners, you said that the continuous flow of water is needed. Will you reuse it or it's just gonna waste like that?
we use it, but do you know about coolers? There will be a water pump. It will be falling from an upside to downside. The water will flow. By using pump, we can.
So what is the capacity of your pottery air coolers?
Pottery air coolers, it depends on the size of the pots and how much clay particles you have used and how much you require. So it is not the air conditioner like really used in the home own cities here use completely built of technology. There is nothing is used, just the air passes through those clay and it makes them to cold. How the water we kept in this pots it gets cold automatically. Similarly, when the air passes through it, the clay particles make it cold. It depends on the size of the pot.
So you are telling that it can be used only in open places, not inside a house or a closed
It
place.
can be, it should be used in open spaces. And inside of the house, if you have the better air facility where it comes, so you can use there also.
And is it comfortable to carry it around? Like we are living in 21st century, we don't stay in same place for long time. We keep traveling. Are you sure that the weight is not going to affect us?
So it is not weight, it's not
It
weight.
is lightweight. It is used in space. In space agencies, they use this pottery. So in our applications, they are being referred to most applications.
So as you said, the government has taken many initiatives to encourage the pottery. But although there is many institutions, how does this attract the youngsters?
So the first thing is that they require interest. Without interest, no one can do nothing. So if you have interest towards the pottery, then we can help someone to do it. If you have interest, then we have Kaushalya Abhivruddhi scheme of government as it is very famous. So there we can Gandhijian philosophy is there. So where the children are motivated to do what are the things which are required to life. That means apart from studying, there is separate for farming, pottery, and other related work. So under those schemes, pottery is also taught to the children, and if they have the interest, they can build a profession on their own. Just we give skills to them.
So how do you build interest in the youngsters, especially in this world, no one are interested in pottery, and the respect for the pottery is decreasing day by day.
So yes, the respect of the pottery is decreasing day by day. I agree. But today we are coming up with new ideas to aware the people. As you told that social media is used and celebrities are used, and we use social media, celebrities, posters, ads. All these things are used to aware the people. They need to aware them. If they get interest only, we can do something and we can teach them the skills. If there is no interest, how can we promote? How can we promote to take as a profession? If you have interest, then we can build as a profession.
And this pandemic also, coronavirus and affected us a lot. And they are naturally the people they are happy and because they are aware of their health.
So are you sure that it's not gonna break if it falls down? Yeah. Are you sure?
Yes, before the technology arrives, it was delicate and it was sensitive so that it could not break. But now for the specialized purpose, if you want for the decorative purpose, we will make as it doesn't break. If you want for cooking purpose, like this pans we can make. Where how much heat can you give that it will not doesn't break. It can make the food healthy and food is tasty, but it doesn't break. It depends on the purpose how you want you can make the food.
And it is not suitable for all the climates. In winters, the pottery base is very
So pots doesn't have only one kind of.
Listen to me. It's not suitable because it's winter. So how do you attract the customer during the winter season?
In pots doesn't take for only water or food purpose in summer. It can be used in different ways. We have told in decorative items, people doesn't want seasons to see decorations. They just want decorative items. So we can use as decorative items. And for cooking purpose also we can use. There we don't want any seasons. So rather than seasons, we can only season having only one way of using of pots. Other than seasons, we have many ways. Air conditions you don't want in winter. Okay. So we can make cooking items or utensils. We can make decorative items.
So as I know, the pottery items are very expensive. We people always care about the prices. So pottery and whatever the traditional way of arts are very very expensive. So how do you is it value for money?
So yes, is it value for money? You are one question. How the handloom products were there? They were costly, but the products they were costly, but the quality made it money worthy. So yearly, the health money is not important than health. So health is important. If you want better health, you need to pay money, and the money will decrease automatically when there is high demand. So when there is high demand, the more production will be there. When there will be more production, the money will be decreased and the selling will be more.
And I would like to ask
how long is it going to take to make food in that?
Depends on the food, what type of food you make. It depends on the
Okay, a daily food, rice. How long is it going to take us to make rice?
Commonly 30 to 40 minutes and result.
So morning you'll have to go to work. Nobody stays in like double salary houses where even mother and father start. That's the work. So you're telling me that I should wait 40 minutes just for preparing rice?
So you can prepare in cookers also. Why you prefer only pots? Because of health matter, right? If you want health means you need to there will be some defects. You need to adjust towards.
So do you have any ways to decrease the time where I can?
See, there are two types of frying color fries. In that, the black color is also there. The black color will absorb more heat. Then it will be faster to cook food.
You are saying that if I use a pot made of black, the rice which took 30 minutes before will take now 10 minutes.
Yeah.
50 minutes.
50, not exactly 10. Less than the time you just consume by pot. Another pot.
So what are other measures you are willing to take to reduce the time?
Pressurized water for cookers also are very proper.
Pressurized earthen. Where do I buy those?
Still they are to
See,
Where you find
the
shortage?
organic marts are there, and for that one only bazaar is also there.
So we have created an online website where we can give. We have contact with Amazon, Flipkart. You can buy the parts from there also with the same delivery.
Okay. Main question. What is the name of your organization?
Who are
Before starting cleaning, is the name kept now or before itself?
before only we don't have any to raise our organization's name. Our aim is only to make the pottery successful. That's it. We don't want to disclose our name or organization.
How are people going to find out that it's your company?
Yeah, in ads we will see.
Then don't. The people are going to know this is Amit, this is someone.
Here it's there.
As you told that other pots can be used in cooking, as we mentioned that we need to first soak in the water and we need to grease. And even that's a difficulty job. And after cooking also it is also complicated to wash also. First we need to use ash and also the coconut peel we need to use. Like nobody has that much of time for only washing the utensils. We can go for methods. No?
See, before it was to wash like that. Nowadays we can use scrubs to use. Because water technology.
Okay, we use dishwater soaps, detergent for soaps, even it absorbs no.
No, it
Oh,
not
as it absorbs the.
Before you are using it, you will soak in water. Then it will in the tiny spores, the water will be absorbed and it will make as a clothes. And then if you grease means it will not absorb anything. Leaving omega-6 fat.
Then you told that by making roti and all, if you
Omega-6 fat, leaving omega-6 fat. Because soap particles are resistant.
Yeah, last one question. After your time.
Some people are very busy that they don't even want to wash the dish. They use dishwasher. How do we wash in that? It is not suitable at all. And in that circumstances, who cares about health? Some people they don't even care about health.
What is the use of living?
Health cannot be the major factor. There have to be something. Yeah, we can use metals and even that is not harmful, right? So is it suitable to wash it as outside and they are reacting? Stainless steel.
They are not either they are not better.
They are cheap.
Yeah, they are cheap, but they doesn't provide good health.
How are they harming you?
That means giving health. You want nutrition, but you don't want nutrition. There is different ways of nutrition. So if you want nutrition, you consume good. Even though you doesn't want nutrition, you consume from the metal food. So doesn't get nutrition. That doesn't mean that you will be harmed. Using metal will harm. The stainless steel doesn't harm. If you want nutrition, use water.
Okay, what about the dishwasher?
See, nowadays they are preparing for delicious food, not for the nutritious food.
Nutritious food cannot be the only factor, okay? I'm saying the situation, you tell me the solution for it.
Main point is stain will not the much of the stain will be not attracted. You can just dip in the water and you can also wash it. Stain will not attract too much in this pots and it will attract in metals or utensils. How the stain will attract? What we will say, no? How it will be there in the metal utensils? We can't find those kind of stains in pottery utensils as it doesn't absorb. So if just dipping in the water also it removes. So for our health issues or our requirement, we just need to wipe once. That's it. Without using any detergents also we can wash. Where we can reduce the use of detergents which is harmful to environment.
This pan is also a non-stick.
Yeah, final saying once together and it is complete.